Hi guys, welcome to Sylvia Baroque with sylviabaroque.com. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the best stock which you can buy today. Stay tuned. Before I start guys, make sure you subscribe to my free Discord chat. I'm going to post the link just below. It is free and great opportunity to connect and network with other traders. Now the stock which I would like to talk about today is othe. I personally love this stock because I've been a lot of times in the States in the stores. I like buying cosmetics, so this is something I really want to mention here guys. Most of the women love buying cosmetics, and even through pandemics they might stop buying food, but cosmetics is very important. That's why I do think this is a very stable stock and also a stock good for a long-term hold. I'm going to discuss of course with you some of the most important support and resistance areas, and we're going to discuss also some of the fundamentals, why this stock is stable and why do I like it. Now if I look here back after coronavirus, we saw a little bit of a bounce here of this stock, and we pretty much went sideways for this whole period of time. We made here resistance at 254, and we saw here one time rejection, second time rejection, and we finally made it here last year November to break out of this resistance, made a nice uptrend here, and the stock now started slowly to go up and uptrend. This recent price action is very nice actually. If you can see here guys, we see strong up moves to the upside, nice small pullbacks, another strong up move here, and currently this stock is trying to pull back as well, and we see that we are currently breaking those short-term support levels here. But this is actually good for us because we want to see actually more pullback. The more the stock pulls back into deeper support areas, the better for us because we have better risk reward in this case. Of course, it will be perfect if this stock continues to pull back and goes into the 274 area, which is also a nice support area here. And after that, I might start looking for some long setups. Of course, guys, this might not happen today. This might take a couple of days or even weeks. We don't know this yet. But this is a very interesting area because we have also here the 200 EMA, which is a very important area as well. And if I see this stock going into the 200 moving average, which is also here, like I mentioned, very nice support area, this will be for me a great opportunity to start buying this stock. So nice momentum, finally recovered from this coronavirus. And of course, we see here a little bit of a pullback, but I hope that we're going to see a bottom soon and a little bit of consolidation. Also, I like this stock because it is not the sector which I usually trade. It is not the tech sector, it is something different. And I do think that this has potential for the future as well. As some of you already know, I'm looking a lot at the fundamentals of the companies, and I would like to buy always growth stocks. In this case, we don't have a growth stock here. We see actually decreasing growth of the earnings per share, decreasing sales, but this is still a stable stock. If you look here at the income statement, it looks pretty healthy so far. We see nice EBITDA. Of course, it is going lower, but they are still making money. And like I mentioned, this is a stable stock, which is actually even good for investment to hold over some longer period of time without being too volatile. Of course, we have the tech sector where we can make a lot of money to the upside, and they go 100-200% to the upside only in a couple of months. This is here a different case with this stock, guys. And I want to mention as well that actually this is very good to diversify your portfolio, start looking at some other sectors because we have currently big sell-off in the tech sector, and of course we don't know if this is over yet. A lot of those tech sector stocks, they pull back 20, 30, even 40%. Of course, it is great opportunity to start buying some of those as well. But it is also good to know that there are some other sectors out there than tech, and that those are more stable, and especially through volatile markets, through markets where we have more uncertainty, those stocks, value stocks, not the growth stocks, they're much better to trade, and of course much easier to trade. So diversification is very important, guys. That's why make sure you look also at some other sectors. And like I mentioned here with those numbers, The stock looks pretty healthy so far, has very nice looking uptrending chart, and it will be awesome if we see a little bit more pullback, of course, in order to start buying here. Another thing to mention as well here is that we have increased green volume here on this on the earnings date. This is also something to mention. I personally do not trade through earnings. The good sign here with this stock is that the earnings are over, and now we don't have to worry about that. We don't have to worry that the earnings are upcoming soon and we don't know what to do with the position. So in this case, everything looks perfect so far. We only need to wait this out because we don't know if the sell-off is over yet, and we see a lot of sell-off not only in tech sector but also in Dow Jones, also in S&P 500. That's why we need to wait and stay patient, wait for the best signal for us to buy. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that helped you for today a little bit more. Stay tuned, and I would love to see you in my chat room and chat with you also and trade with you. Bye bye.